Hello everyone, welcome to Tommy's Station. This is a future project. This is a Piko 03462 steam locomotive, obviously, in various stages of parts. It's the main chassis. Pardon me, my throat's not pretty good. And the steam chest, air tanks, connecting rods, various bits and pieces. There's some valve gear there, the chassis. Now then, the main connecting rods were missing. So I've ordered and received these parts from Germany, original spare parts. And these are the rods to connect all the three axles together and new piston connecting rods. So this will be an interesting rebuild if I can manage it. The tender seems to have escaped a lot of the damage, so we'll see how I get on. I hope I can repair this, and this will be another addition to my steam locos. There we go. Okay, so let's see what happens. Thanks for watching. Bye now.